In today's video, we'll be discussing some subtle and effective ways to attract your crush without being too obvious. We understand that approaching your crush can be nerve-wracking, so these tips will help you make a positive impression while maintaining a sense of mystery. Dress to impress. First impressions matter, so pay attention to your personal style. Dressing well not only boosts your confidence but also catches the attention of your crush. Choose outfits that make you feel comfortable, confident, and highlight your best features. Remember, it's all about being authentic and expressing your unique personality. Show genuine interest. Take the time to learn about your crush's hobbies, interests, and passions. Engage them in meaningful conversations by asking open-ended questions. Show genuine curiosity and actively listen to their responses. This demonstrates that you value their opinions and creates a bond between the two of you. Be confident. Confidence is attractive, but it's essential to strike the right balance. Avoid coming across as arrogant or self-centered. Instead, maintain good posture, make eye contact, and speak clearly. Confidence will help you exude a positive energy that draws people towards you, including your crush. Use nonverbal cues. Nonverbal communication can convey a lot without saying a word. Use subtle cues such as smiling, maintaining eye contact, and mirroring their body language. Subconsciously, people are drawn to those who mirror their actions, creating a sense of connection and rapport. Show kindness and thoughtfulness. Acts of kindness can make a lasting impression on your crush. Offer small gestures, like holding the door open, complimenting them sincerely, or surprising them with a thoughtful note or a small gift. These actions demonstrate that you care and have taken the time to think about them. Display confidence in your talents. Everyone has unique talents or skills. Showcase yours confidently, whether it's playing an instrument, painting, or excelling in a particular sport. Your passion and dedication will make you more intriguing and attractive in the eyes of your crush. Maintain a positive attitude. Positivity is contagious and attractive. Avoid being overly negative or complaining in their presence. Instead, focus on uplifting conversations, sharing funny stories, or discussing exciting future plans. Your optimistic outlook will make you an enjoyable person to be around. Give them space. While it's important to show interest, avoid being overly clingy or constantly seeking their attention. Allow your crush to have their personal space and time to pursue their own interests. This demonstrates respect and maturity, making you more desirable.